Welcome to everyone. We are the students of JNB Salvani Mayurbhanj created project on the topic religion of Maharashtra, and now we are going to present it. Introduction about Maharashtra. Maharashtra is second most populous state in India as well as third largest state by area. The capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai. In the present time, Chief Minister of Maharashtra is Uddhav Thackeray. Language of Maharashtra. Marathi is the official language of Maharashtra. Origin of Maharashtra. The term Maharashtra derives from the word Maha means great and Rashtra means nation dominion. Topography of Maharashtra. Maharashtra is a state in the western region of India. It covers an area of 3,07,713 km square. History of Maharashtra. In the late 16th century, regional Muslim powers like Nizam Shahi, Adil Shahi, and Qutub Shahi established their prominence in the Deccan region. Maharashtra tourism. There are many tourism places in Maharashtra such as Mahabaleshwar, Mathan, Khandala, Alibag, Tarkalli, Ganpatipule, Chikhalda, forts and many others. There are many forts in Maharashtra. Most of the forts in Maharashtra were built by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and his Maratha Empire. Maharashtrian culture, the life and soul. The culture of Maharashtra is an amalgamation of festival, dances, music, arts and crafts, foods and costumes. Lord Ganesha is the most revered deity, but all religions and cultures find a place of importance on the land of Maharashtra with their sites and monuments. Religion in Maharashtra is characterized by the diversity of religions, beliefs and practices. Maharashtra possesses six of the world's major religions. According to the 2011 census, Hinduism was the principal religion in the state at 79.83% of the total population, while Muslim constituted 11.54% of the total population. Maharashtra has India's largest Buddhist and Jain population. Buddhism accounted for 6% in Maharashtra's population with 6.53 million followers, which is 77% of all Buddhists in India. Jains, Christians and Sikhs constituted 1.25%, 1%, 0.2% of the population in Maharashtra. Worship place of Hinduism is Hindu temple. A Hindu temple is a symbolic house, seat and body of God. It is a structure designed to bring human beings and gods together with symbolism to express the ideas and beliefs of Hinduism. Some examples of Hindu temple in Maharashtra: Sri Siddhi Vinayak Temple, Mumbai; Sai Temple, Shirdi, Ahmednagar; Kopineshwar Mandir, Thane; Vithal Dayaji Temple, Sulvedi, Solepur; Yamai Devi Temple, and Satara Mahalakshmi Temple in Maharashtra. Worship place of Islam is mosque. The Arabic word masjid means a place of prostration to God, and the same word is used in Persian, Urdu and Turkish. The Imam leads the congregation in prayer. Some examples of mosque in Maharashtra: Mughal Masjid, Mumbai; Jama Mosque, Killa, Arak, Aurangabad; Masjid Gharib Nawaz in Maharashtra. Worship place of Buddhism in Buddhist temple. A Buddhist temple or Buddhist monastery is a place of worship for Buddhists, the followers of Buddhism. Temples in Buddhism represent the pure land or pure environment of a Buddha. Some examples of Buddha temple in Maharashtra: Ajanta caves and Ellora caves. Jainism in Maharashtra. Worship place of Jainism is Jain temple. A Jain temple is the place of worship for Jains, the followers of Jainism. Some examples of Jain temple in Maharashtra: Valekshar Jain temple, Bilholi Jain temple, Karanja Jain temple, Kachner Jain temple. In Maharashtra. Worship place of Christianity is church. A church is central to the Christian faith, and it is where the community comes together to worship and praise God. The church is place of worship of all Christians. Some example of church in Maharashtra: St. Andrew's Church, Bandra; Afghan Church, Kolaba; Mount Mary Basilica, Bandra; St. Michael's Church, Mahim; Wilder Memorial Church. Sikhism in Maharashtra. Worship place of Sikhism is Gurudwara. A Gurudwara is a building in which Sikhs gather for congregational worship. A Gurudwara, which means Dur to the Guru, is a place of assembly and worship for Sikhs. Some examples of Gurudwara in Maharashtra: Gurudwara Nagina Ghat, Gurudwara Shikhar Ghat Sahib, Gurudwara Sri Sangat Sahib, Gurudwara Guru Nanak Darbar. Conclusion. Religion is a continuous and progressive process. All religions teach the same thing. The version may differ, the language may differ, but the morals remain the same. All religion teach us to love our families, respect our parents, and make new families when we grow up. Religions all over the world teach us the same right ways to live. Overall, it is concluded that Comet religion is based on humanity. It means to say that the main aim is to combine and help each other on the basis of humanity. Therefore, it will not be said that it more based on morality. Thank you.